Hi all, welcome to my channel HappyHome.positivity. Thought of sharing a video on how to clean and season a cast iron cookware. This video has some useful tips and tricks which, if followed every time you clean these vessels can easily be passed on from generations to generations. Now let's begin. This is how my skillet looks after some chicken fry. The cleaning process has 4 steps. Tip 1. Always clean the pan immediately after cooking. Step number 1. Pour some hot water on the pan. Here is step number 2. Never pour cold water on a hot pan. The pan will crack. You can use a steel spoon to scrub away all the leftover burnt chicken. This becomes a good sauce in case you want to make a saucy chicken for some steamed rice. In case you do not want to use this sauce or liquid, you can throw it away in the basin. Now let's smooth the basin. You can see the pan is almost clean already. Only some hard crust is left. Step number 2. Pour some hot water. Take a steel scrub and a tongs as the water and the pan are hot. Wash away the dirt. Step number 3. Again pour some hot water. Take a dishwashing liquid soap and wash the pan as usual on both the sides. Now this actually completes the cleaning process. We can now move to seasoning the pan. Step number 4. Place the pan on the stove, switch it on and let the pan dry completely. Once the pan is dry, you can brush some oil all over the pan and let it smoke for 5 minutes. This process removes any moisture left, seals the pan and makes it non-stick and also prevents it from rusting. Let's leave it to cool. Tip number 3. If you leave your pan with excess oil on it, it is going to be sticky the next time you want to use it. So, take a tissue and wipe away all the excess oil from the pan. Voila! There you have a clean, well-seasoned and non-sticky cast iron cookware which now you can store until next use. That's all guys. Please subscribe and hit on the bell icon to get notified on my next uploads. Thank you for watching.